Weather stripping up here. Power washing, of course. Ring camera doorbell spot. Front door just needs to be cleaned, maybe repainted. Walking in, the power and water is on. We've got marks on the wall here. That wasn't at the inspection, so that's definitely when they were moving out. Got curtains. We've got dog damage here. This whole frame could actually be replaced. These need to be removed. A mark on this door. A whole closet full of stuff. We've got holes in this wall. Moving into the kitchen. If I can find the light. We've got rust damage here. This is unclean. Refrigerator's not clean. Looks like there's no broken shelves. Gas stove is unclean. Not clean. Not clean items left. Dishwasher has rust. All the cabinet faces are dirty. That cabinet is loose. Okay. Damage to this wall. This could use a repaint. Items up here. Marks along this wall, marks on this wall. see patch paint there. There's like some foam on that door. There's a TV mount left. There's a little bar. That's seen better days. Oh, more items. Okay. Holy macaroon. A whole tree. Okay, a table's left. This floor's rotted. All this needs to be power washed. Oh my goodness, they left a lot of stuff. This back door needs to be painted. All this needs to be power washed. This is gross. Huh, weed eater. More stuff. Okay. A tent of some sort, chairs, a grill. Table.